Okay, so the light bulb burnout on this window switch, it's of the 1987 BMW 325e, and this button doesn't light up. So we're going to replace the light bulb in there. First thing to do is to get a small screwdriver, slide it under the retainer, twist it a little bit and push it up. Same thing on the other one, and on the other side. May take you a few tries to get this apart. It snaps back on sometimes on the other side while you're doing one side. So the switch is apart. Just slide the switch out. So there's other two bulbs in there, and I know which one is burned out. I already checked. But you should use a multimeter and check the bulb if it's good or not, because sometimes it's just the connector wire that is losing connection here, and all you need to do is just slide that wire back in place and it will work. So here's the light bulb that burned out. It's removed. So now I got these two miniature bulbs from Radio Shack. They're 12 volt and they're 2 in a pack. I'm only gonna use one. Take the bulb out. And we're gonna remove this burnout bulb from the holder. Okay, so here's that bulb. That's in the trash. Here's the new bulb. There are two little holes inside the holder. You need to slide the wires of the new bulb into those two holes. Okay, here we go. The bulb is in place, and you need to pull slightly on those wires and bend them outwards. And then you cut the extra wire off. And it's ready to go to be installed back on the switch. Okay, so this bulb is actually a little bit brighter than the original one, so I'm gonna switch the sides and install the old bulb on the button that has the white arrow rather than the outline of the arrow. Okay, just push it on and that's it. I also have an orange marker pen, and I'm gonna paint it orange to match the original color of the light bulb. I'll also reduce the output so it's not as bright. Okay, so this is done. The next step, I'm gonna take this grease, you can get it from any automotive shop, and apply on every contact of the switch and also on the buttons, so the contacts will not have as much spark when the switch is turned on, so they will not burn as much as they usually do. Okay, so this is done. I'm going to take each button out, and I'm going to put some of this grease all the way around on the button and on the contacts, and slide it back on into the housing and do the same for the other one. This will give you that soft touch operation of the switch. And also put a little bit of it on the contacts. So this goes back in. Now you just need to slide this new light switch with new light bulb in the housing. And it's all done. Just need to clean up the buttons from that grease, and the switch is ready to go. The same bulb can be used on the E36 BMWs. The newer BMWs use LEDs instead. I've seen some sold on eBay, the LEDs I mean, with the resistor already, so you can just solder the new resistor and the LED in there, or you can convert your old switches that have light bulbs into LEDs. That'll last forever. You need to get a small LED though, small size. So that's it.